Hey, what's up everybody? So we are headed to IKEA in Charlotte, North Carolina to pick up the Billy bookcases that I ordered. Now we could have got them delivered, but the delivery fee was almost as much as the cost of the 3 bookcases. So we decided to make a day trip and go pick them up. So I got 2 of the regular size Billys and 1 half Billy. So you will see those put together in an upcoming video and set up in the office so I can start putting my collection on them. So we are pulling up to IKEA and they are advertising the Billy bookcase right on the front of the store. I think we made the right choice, folks. I think we made the right choice.
As you can see, we got the iconic blue and yellow behind me. And we are about to go get my Billy bookcases. But first, we're gonna take a tour of the store, maybe get some meatballs, and have some fun. Let's go. So I used to work at IKEA, and I never thought I'd be back buying Billy bookcases to store my Legos on. So, sorry, Lego. I know y'all are gonna hit me in the comments with that one. But yeah, so we're about to walk in and have some fun in IKEA.
Alright, so here's the Billy bookcase. Now I'm getting the ones without the drawer on the bottom. But again, that's the full-size one. Let me back up a little bit. And then that's the half one right here. Now, all these shelves are just for display, but again, there's the half Billy. And the full, and I'm getting the white. So standing out by the car, waiting for my Billys to come out to the loading zone. Very, very excited. Can't wait to get home and put them together.
Okay, the drama on this part of the episode is, are the boxes going to fit in the Venza for the trip home? You're not 100% confident. I'll let you know how it turns out.
Okay, we're home, and now we gotta get these upstairs. Wish me luck. Well, that wasn't easy, but there are my 3 Billy bookcases, soon to be put together.